All right, everyone. How's everybody doing today? I'm looking at the live chat right here in this area. So, how's everybody doing today? And I'm actually super excited about doing this specific training, to be honest with you. Today's Saturday, April 11th, 2020. And it's super exciting to actually be doing this specific live streaming because I know these kinds of videos are always helpful for you guys. And I know they are motivating for you all when it comes to making money online, specifically whether it's binary Forex, affiliate, whatever is it that you're trying to do, but you're trying to work from home, especially in these days that we're having right now with this coronavirus going on all over the place. It's kind of convenient to be able to have a source of income that doesn't require us to have a schedule, doesn't require us to go somewhere, and doesn't require someone else to pay us for what we do. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm glad that you guys are here. And how's everybody doing? I'm glad that you guys are looking good. Yeah, we got some haters, but it's all right. There's basically trolls. I mentioned in the previous video that I realized that there was a website like mentioned in my name saying that the BLW Trading Academy is a scam. I don't know how something that is free can be a scam, but it's the way it is. But basically, today we're going to ignore the haters. I want to let you guys know something super important today. And it's the fact that I'm going to start a series of videos where I'm going to be teaching you ways to make money. Always, of course, related to day trading, but I'm also going to be showing you different ways that you can use to actually increase your income, such as affiliate marketing, such as online selling, such as working from home opportunities, and so on and so forth. I actually have another YouTube channel that is specifically for all of this, like making money online. It is called BLW Money System. You probably have seen it already. You can look it up on YouTube. It doesn't really have that many subscribers. It's got like 700 subscribers. To be honest with you, I haven't really uploaded constant videos all the time. So I'm going to take the time in this specific YouTube channel to do some series of videos where I'm going to help you ways to make money, not only through day trading, because I know sometimes it's like complicated to make money. Specifically when you're in this situation right now, when you're in a rush, you know what I mean? So you're like, I need to make money right now because of this crisis. So your emotions actually take over and it's impossible for you to actually perform the best possible way. So that's the reason why I'm actually going to create a few videos where I'm going to show you how I went from dead broke to making six figures. I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day investing $0. And I'm going to show you as well how I made my first $10,000 with my first online business. I'm going to make two videos of those, one with day trading and the other one without day trading specifically. So yeah, Cisco, please stop spamming the chat. I mean, I'm going to silence you and then you're going to become a new hater. But people are like get annoyed with this several copy and pasting question. I'm gonna be answering some questions at the end of this training, so no worries. We're gonna go ahead and have some Q&A at the end of this training as usual. This training might take 30-45 minutes depending on the development of it, so let's jump right into it. Before I actually start, I want you guys to take notes, okay? So I want you guys to actually go through your notepad and ask yourself and get yourself the questions that you want to ask later on, and add, as usual, the answers that I'm going to give you, okay? Good morning. Joey says, thank you for the donation, John. Joey, I'm sorry. Do you teach Nadex trading as well? Not yet, but actually last week I did a poll on my Facebook group asking how many people traded Nadex. And I saw that there were like around 100 people trading with Nadex. So I think I might start some video series in regards to Nadex, such as what is Nadex, how to use it, where is it allowed, and different strategies that work on Nadex. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. And Nadex, for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, is a broker, a different way of trading that is allowed in the States and in different countries, but basically is the most trusted in the United States. So that's the reason why people are actually asking. Cisco, just to answer the question, I have $30, sir. How to earn money? Go to my BLW Trading Academy. It is 100% free, blwtradingacademy.com. All right, let's go ahead and start with the training because I don't want to keep you guys the entire day. The training is called, Can I Become Rich Trading Forex? And we're going to answer the question in this specific YouTube video. And this is what we're going to cover in this training. What is rich, right? Because before we actually like wondering, hey, can I be rich? Do you know what rich really means? Right? That's the first question that you got to ask yourselves. Second is, how much do you have to make a month in order to be rich? Okay, that's the second question. And hey, if you're enjoying this training, make sure you smash the like button. It will support the channel a lot. The third question that we're going to answer today is, how can you make that amount of money that you need in order to be rich? The next question is how to be consistent at making that money. We're going to review the most common mistakes that we do as day traders. And more importantly, what to do after I become rich. Because look, getting rich is just part of the process of actually being rich. You can be rich, you can become rich overnight, win the lottery or whatever, but then you can be broke a couple of years later. Okay, so that's super important. But before we actually go into the training, let me tell you, who am I, right? Because you probably don't know me. This is the first video watching from me. I'm the one in the picture, yes. And my name is Christian. AP stands for my last name. And basically I'm a 30-year-old, now I'm a 30-year-old after my birthday, right? Old entrepreneur. And I'm a full-time day trader and a YouTuber and online influencer. Basically, full-time day trader nowadays is kind of complicated for me since, you know, a lot of aspects of my life have become a little bit more important than really making money on a daily basis, like making larger amounts of money on a daily basis with day trading. To me right now, education is way more important. Motivation is way more important. And I have different targets that I have in life, such as speeches, conferences and stuff like that, that basically I'm not going to be able to achieve if I continue just doing day trading. So I'm moving to different aspects of my life. And my passion is, in case you guys don't know, is to help you make money online. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of different business styles in the world, such as starting a barber shop, a restaurant, a hotel, whatever business it is. But I'm here to help you make money online, whether it's through Forex, binary, selling stuff, buying and selling stuff, whatever it is that you want to do. This is what my passion is, to help you reach this target in this YouTube channel. And in this YouTube channel, basically what I do is that I do software reviews, I do broker reviews, and I give you tips and strategies to make money with online trading. In this YouTube channel, you guys will see me probably like doing a bunch of things on you know, YouTube, a bunch of things such as creating different training, creating different tutorials. But basically what I'm always trying to do is give you that extra tip that you can't find somewhere else. Because look, you might find thousands of videos on YouTube telling you, hey, you can make money with this strategy and all you need to do is place a call with $100 and the next trade you place $200. And when you win, you put like $800. No, that's not what I do here. I try to teach you exactly why is it that you need to enter that trade. So I give you tips and strategies, not only about day trading per se, but also in regards to money management and so on, so forth. Devin says, for me, rich means not owing anyone in a house and a car and food to eat with my family. Yeah, that's a way to see rich or wealth in some sort of way. Definitely here we're talking about money, right? Specifically, but yeah, I mean, if you're healthy and if you have your family alive with you, even the car and the house is not necessary. But here we're gonna talk about actual numbers, right? Your ambition of actually being wealthy. Where can you find me? Where can you find me? You can go to my links. I'm going to put them in here. The first one is BLW Signals Group. Is the biggest community of binary options and Forex trading in the world. Right now, you can go in there. And of course, today there are no signals, but you can join to get the signals during Monday through Friday. And with over 75% in the money rate, with over 170 signals, I think it was last week, including the 5 minutes room. And then you can go to my blwtradingacademy.com website. It's a free academy that I created specifically for newbie traders. You can go to my 2minutestrategyapp.com website. It's an application that I created based on the 2-minute strategy, and the binarylivingway.com and cryptobinarylivingway.com is where I do some reviews on different products, expose scams, and give you some extra tips. But usually the main of my content is actually here on YouTube, so you're in the right place. All right, so let's go ahead and begin with the training. What do you guys think is being rich? Like right now, if I sit here and ask two people on the crowd, what is to be rich? What is rich for you, right? When it comes to actually making money, we're talking about amount. So give me an amount that you think being rich is for you, okay? This training will definitely be more interactive. That's actually cool. I like that. Drinking a cup of coffee. Yeah, hopefully I get to meet you as well. Thank you. Time free? Okay, but in amount of money, how much do you think you should be making to be rich? Chris, I don't even know how to read that number. It's one a bunch of zeros, right? No price and free time. Yeah, being rich, being able to afford all your expenses, $2,000, $3,000 a month. Okay. So I'm going to tell you what rich means for Robert Kiyosaki, which is, by the way, my invisible mentor, the one that I follow the most. Being rich is the same thing as being an accredited investor, and is a person that has an annual income exceeding $200,000 or $300,000 for joint income, which means for married couples, for the last 2 years, with an expectation of earning the same or higher income in the current year. This is what Robert Kiyosaki says. So in order for you to be rich, you need to make $200,000 in 1 month. This is, of course, just what Forbes actually consider a rich person, right? Probably you have way higher expectations, way higher goals, and or lower, doesn't really matter. But this is what rich is in Forbes. Whenever you become an accredited investor, you can invest on initial public offering businesses. I'm not going to get into it that much, but just so you guys know, you can invest on better deals to buy shares and stuff like that. But basically, Forbes determines a rich person, which that person who earns over $200,000 in 1 year or $300,000 as a couple. Okay? So it's not that hard, right? It's not about it. There's a difference between being a millionaire than being rich. So this is being rich. Now, how much do you have to make a month in order to be rich? Pretty simple. The math is simple. $200,000 divided in 12 months is $16,667, right? That in per day is $16,667 divided into 30 days. That's $556 per day. So $556 per day is what you need to make if you want to be rich. Consider rich in Forbes magazine. So do you really think it's that hard to be rich nowadays in Forex? Because I've seen a lot of people like, hey, I want to be rich in Forex because I want to get a Lamborghini and because I want to get a Ferrari and because I want a Maserati and an Aston Martin and I want a big house with 2 pools with 16 different bedrooms. That's not being rich, okay? That's being a millionaire. It's a whole different deal. And at the beginning of this training, actually someone put in the live chat saying, hey, no, you can't be rich in Forex, but you can sell anything you want on YouTube, like saying that I was going to sell you something in this training. And no, you can be rich. I mean, you can make $556 and one day in Forex, right? Probably some of you already making this in the live chat, right? Let me know if you're making this already. $16,000 a month. It's not too shabby, right? I'm making that already. I've been making that for over 3 years now. And it's not really that hard. It's a huge difference between being rich and being millionaire. And in this training, I'm going to tell you how you can be rich trading Forex. This also applies, of course, for binary options, but we're talking about Forex in this specific training. Okay? So, hey, if you're enjoying this training, make sure you smash the like button. Cisco, I'm going to have to silence you, man. I'm sorry, but this spamming really annoys me. And I think it's annoying a lot of people as well. Multiple streams of income. That's definitely necessary. For me, rich is when you can buy anything, but you don't because it's important and your family is happy because it's not important. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's a feeling of being rich. Like when you actually don't buy something because you don't want to, more than because you can't afford it. One of the things that I love about ever since I started making real money with day trading is that whenever I went to a restaurant, I didn't look at the price. So back in the day, I used to be super poor, and someday I'm going to tell you my story. I think I have videos with my story and stuff, but I remember back in the days, I couldn't really eat what I wanted, but I had to eat what I could afford, or sometimes don't even eat, right? So it's, to me, it's actually a pleasure to eat in a restaurant, right? It's one of my favorite things to do, getting to know new restaurants, trying new menus and stuff. I love eating, even though I like to work out and I'm concerned about my health, I love eating. So to me, that's basically a good sign of being rich, you know what I mean? So yeah, I agree with you, Devil, amen. So yeah, thank you very much. Blessings to you too. Which one is more easy to become rich? There's no easy. If you're looking for an easy way, it doesn't exist in day trading. So let's go ahead and continue with the trading. Trading is risky. So yeah. So let's go ahead and continue with the training. Now, how can you make $556 per day? How can you make this? All right, we're gonna go into it right now. You want to be rich? Hit the like button. If you want to be rich, hit the like button in there. And let's do some math right here. Okay, math is the best science in the world. Okay, math. The average increase in a Forex account following the right plan and the right instructions and the right strategy, of course, is from 15 to 25% on a weekly basis. Now, you might think, whoa, this is too much. No, it's not too much. People on the BLW Signals group are doing this on a weekly basis. So yeah, you can make this amount of money as long as you follow the right plan and the right instructions, okay? So let's say that you start with $100 today. Let me get my $100. I posted this video, I think it was last night, with $100, and people are like, hey, that's fake money. Yeah, it's fake money, of course. I don't use dollars in my country, but yeah, this is prop money. So let's say that you have $100, and people love to see this, the stack of $10,000. Okay, so let's say that you have $100 and you're gonna start with day trading, right? let's do some math here. And I actually took the time to build a formula and a math and give you like specific numbers, because that's basically what I like when I do these trainings. I want to give you real numbers in front of you, because I hate when people, yeah, make 6 figures in 6 months. How? Do you have the math so that I can do it? No, right? So yeah, I'm going to show you the math right now, and this is where we're going to start. And I'm going to make it bigger so that, there you go. Hopefully you can see it. So we're looking at month number 1, right? The week 1, if we have an increase of 20%, because I'm gonna have the increase on a average. All right, we're not gonna jump into 25% increase, but 20% is good. And this is assuming, of course, that all the weeks are actually good, right? So you're gonna do on a daily basis $4 per day if you're trading with $100 and making a 20% increase on a weekly basis. Now, $4 a day is not that much, is it? Do you really think that like trading for an entire week with a balance of $100, if you make $20 that week, do you think that's impossible? Of course not. Of course not, right? It's possible. It's just $20. So we're going to start with the 20%, and this is a whole formula, right? So week number 1 is going to take you to $104, right? $120, I'm sorry. Second week, you're going to end up at $144. Third week, you're going to be at $172. Week 4, you're going to end up at $207. Week 5, this is the second month, you end up at $248. Obviously, the increase right now is a little bit higher because your balance is higher, right? And then you can have, I think I'm gonna like provide with this Excel sheet on my website somewhere so that you guys can download it and have it in front of you all the time. Week 7, you end up at $358 and so on. Take a look at the months. Obviously, it's not going to happen overnight, right? So that person who tells you that you're going to become rich in 1 month is selling you dreams and selling you a scam. And that's why people hate me, because I say the truth. And those Indians, and I'm sorry by the way that I just mentioned Indians, but I know that the websites that are blacklisting me, it's a group of Indians who have different websites and all attack me. So I know them, okay? They're trolls. But that's the reason why I mentioned Indians. I have nothing against any Indian whatsoever. I love them. So yeah, 3 months. At the end of 3 months, you're going to end up with a balance of $891, right? Right? Cool. Yeah, this is a good question. This is provided that you are not using this money for any expenses. In order for you to get these results in the amount of time that I'm giving you, you need to not withdraw your money for the entire time. Okay? If you withdraw your money, you get back a few months, depending on how much you actually withdraw, right? I'm showing you the math as to how long will it take you to get there if you don't make any withdrawals. But I mean, I'm not saying you're not supposed to, but if you make a withdrawal, you'll get back. So let's say, for example, that you get to $1,000 and you withdraw $500. So that means that you're taken back to week number 9. You have to have control of the amount of weeks, okay, depending on your profit. Hey, if you're enjoying this training, make sure you smash the like button. I would really appreciate it. It supports the channel a lot. Yeah, Indians are good. It's just that the group of Indians that are attacking me, I don't know. I love India, but they hate me. I don't know why. It's like four people with those websites. I'm not even gonna mention the websites here because it's just gonna give them publicity. Love you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for all the love from India. This video will be posted in my YouTube channel. You can watch it many times. Don't worry. Once we finish this video, it's going to be in my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. This is the month number 4. At the end of month number 4, you're going to be at $1,848, right? This gives us an average profit of $61 per day. We're still not rich, right? We are still not rich, okay? Number 5, month number 5, you end up at $3,833.76, right? In that specific month, at the end of that month, you will be making $127 per day. Sounds better, right? Sounds better, huh? Month number 6, you end up at $7,949.68 with your balance. You're still not rich, but you're making around $264.99 per day. That's good money, right? That's good money. 264. But yeah, you're not rich yet. At the end of the 7-month though, your balance will be around $16,484.47. And then you're going to be, in fact, week 29 is the one. You're going to be making 600 between week 28 and 29. You will be making between $549 and $659. Let me do the math for here. For 30 days, that's $16,000. No, I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me do the math in here. This one, 30 times 12. So now you're making, here, you're making $197,000 a month. And here on week 29, a year, I'm sorry, you're making $237,000 per year. So a total of 7 months before you actually can be considered rich, right? Does that sound doable to you? But let me ask you this question, okay? Let me ask you this question because this is super important for me. Do you remember what you have done during the last 7 months? I know you've been hustling. I know you've been probably trying hard to make money, but have you been actually disciplined, and have you been putting the right effort in your education, which is the most important thing? Education is the most important thing. It's not trading skills, it's education. Second, most important thing is discipline. And third most important thing is humbleness. Why? Because you need to follow instructions. You need to be disciplined to follow the instructions the way they are. And you need to be educated to actually know what instructions to follow and which ones to ignore. During the last 7 months, what have you done? And let me ask you another question. If I tell you right now, if I tell you just right now, hey, will you or will you not take this college degree that is going to take you 4 years? Or do you rather invest 1 year of your life and learn what you need to learn and do this investment plan and end up making money, end up being rich in 7 to 12 months? Because let's give it like 3 months or 5 months that we make mistakes, but during the next 7 months, we actually make it. Which one would you choose? Would you go to college or would you learn how to trade? Right? Easy question, right? Now, just to finish with the last numbers, because I want to show you what would happen the entire year. Obviously, you will be increasing by a month. You will be making over $34,000 in your balance, and you will be making over $1,000 per day. 9 months, you will be around $70,000, $2,000 per day. 10 months, you will be $146,000 for almost $5,000 a day. 11 months is $304,000, $10,000 per day. And 12 months, you will be at $631,000 and $21,000 per day. So what do you guys think? Is it doable? I'll read your comments just right now. Okay? So hold on. Let me read your questions. how much would you make in here? Let me see. Hold on. Just out of curiosity, after 12 months. No, hold on. For 30 days, right? Times 12. Yeah, you'll be making around $7 million if you continue this year. Of course, it's impossible for you to continue the entire month, right? It's impossible, right? We need to make withdrawals and everything. So our target is this, 7 months. 7 months is our target, right? Hard trade. Yeah, I would rather learn how to trade. Obviously, yeah. I struggle with discipline. I need good advice. We're going to talk about it in just a little bit. These calculations are for 30 days or 20. This is for 30 days. This is actually for weekly basis. So it's not specifically per, it gives the average per day in 30 days, but you need to focus on the weekly increase of 20%. But that's a good question. You choose to trade? Yeah. Does this platform work in Ethiopia? I'm going to silence you because I don't really allow spamming in the live chat. So, but yes, it works everywhere. I want to be in your signals group. Go to blwsignalsgroup.com. It's doable. Yeah, with the proper emotions. Definitely. I struggle with discipline and need help. Okay, yeah. So everybody chooses to be in day trading, right? Everybody chooses to be in day trading. So this is what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and continue with the trading. How to be consistent, because this is one of the most important thing in this specific scenario of becoming rich with Forex. How to be consistent, right? And I'm going to give you some a few tips that are going to help you to be consistent. And the first tip is actually surround yourself with consistent people. If you're surrounded with bunch of other people out there who are negative, who always give up and tell you to give up, trust me, you're gonna end up losing money yourself as well. You're gonna end up giving up yourself as well. Okay? Simple as that. You're gonna end up losing money yourself. So surround yourself with consistent people as well. Second tip that I want to give you today is actually practice on demo even when you already had your daily session. So when you finish your daily session, that doesn't mean you go to sleep and you go to somewhere else, you go watch TV. That means you can keep on practicing so that you can become better every single day. Does that make sense? Right? Third tip. Read and watch as many videos as possible. And this is something a lot of people don't do. They watch like 4-5 videos, they get motivated, and then they go and start trading. They lose their money. They come back and comment, this is a scam. I just lost $100. No, this is not a scam. You just watch 4 videos. You lost your money because you didn't know what you were doing. And now you're complaining about the industry, which generates billions of dollars on a daily basis, right? It's crazy, right? Write down your own mistakes in a daily basis. This is super important. Look, have a notebook. It's like $2. Somewhere it's even $1, whatever price it is. Just buy a notebook and have it with your daily mistakes. You know what's even better than that? And let me get it because I actually love this. Have an agenda just like this one right here. 2020. This is 2020. I don't know how much is in your country, but it shouldn't be that expensive, to be honest with you. It's a lot more expensive to not know what you're doing. Buy it, and on a daily basis, you should write down your mistakes. Okay? Write down your mistakes. Do it. I know it's not hard. Just do it. Hey, today I entered too early in the trades. Cool. Write it down. Hey, today, I don't know. Hey, today I follow more than one admin. Write it down, right? Okay, you're spamming again. Why is people spamming the live chat? I don't know what's going on. How to earn $4 per day with $100 capital. If trade full amount will be lost. If I trade, full amount will be lost. I don't even know what you mean, but stop spamming the live chat. All right. Next tip, stop after you reach your weekly target. And this is a common mistake. Many people do it all the time. Like, for example, you reach your $100 target. Let's say you have $100 as a target and in your week, and you reach it, and then you continue trading, and then you end up losing half of it or even full amount of your daily target, your weekly target. Why would you continue if you already reached it? Take the rest of the week to practice, to learn more, and to become stronger every single week, right? At the end of the week, maybe if you have 4 or 5 consistent weeks making your target easily within 3 days, then maybe you can increase your target. But don't continue trading if you don't have a target in mind. Okay? Most common mistakes. We're going to cover the most common mistakes right now. And the first one is this common phrase that always we all say it at once in our lives at least. I can do it myself. I don't need your help. I can do it myself. Yes, you can do it yourself, but you don't know how to do it yourself. So make sure you actually follow instructions from a mentor that knows what he's doing, okay? Mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, trying the best new thing. What is the best new thing? Hey, there's a new trading, system that is called Bitcoin Revolution that trades for me and makes me $24,000 the first day. No, just stick to one plan and follow it. Okay, stick to one plan. What I mean is stick to one strategy, stick to one admin, stick to one trading plan, and so on and so forth. Okay, next tip. Next common mistake, getting loans to invest. Look, if you get a loan to make an investment of $100, trust me, your emotions are going to kill you within the next few trades. Why? Because your emotions control you even more when you are not making money, but even more when that money is not even yours, when you're losing someone else's money and you need to pay that money later on. It's impossible to trade with good emotions when you do that. So don't do that. Next common mistake, not taking trainings. Many people think that by watching just a couple of videos on YouTube or by just going to a conference, they're going to be super smart and they will be able to do everything they can. Look, going to conference, taking a few trainings is good, but if you don't take enough trainings, you're never going to be ready. Okay? And the next mistake is actually not repeating the trainings. Look, just because you took one training once, just because you took my academy once, that doesn't mean you're going to be rich. You need to watch them over and over and over. Do you know how many times I've watched the same video in regards to what I want to learn? Sometimes I watch it over 100 times. The same video. Why? Because I want not only to learn it, I want it to be part of my subconscious. I want it to be in my brain. So I need to watch it over 100 times. Right? So don't just watch the training once, because tomorrow you're gonna have forgotten about that training. Trust me. So repeat that training. And the last mistake that I've seen people make it is choosing the wrong broker. Look, just go with a trusted broker. Just because the account manager doesn't tell you what is like that they're gonna make you money or whatever, that doesn't mean it's the right broker. Just choose the right broker. Hey, if you're enjoying this training, make sure you smash the like button. I'm super excited right now to actually show you this. And the last part of the training is what to do after I reach my goal. What to do after I reach my goal, right? You already reached. What is it that you're supposed to do? Don't overspend your money, okay? A Gucci watch is not important. Trust me. People tell me all the time, hey, how come you don't show you're rich? Because I have a Michael Kors watch, right? It's like $200 or $300. I don't know. Hey, you should buy a $60,000 watch. Why? It's the same time. Trust me, it's the same time. It's not like the time is going to pass slower because I have a Gucci watch or a Rolex, right? Hey, what is it that you don't have, I don't know, some kind of gold necklace or whatever? Because I don't like it, right? Don't overspend. And more importantly, don't spend because someone else is telling you to spend, right? Don't overspend. That's what you need to do, the first step. Second step is Storage money. Don't save money. Like, what is the difference between storage money and save money? If I save money, I don't know what to do with it. I'm like, I'm just going to save. I'm going to put it in the bank because I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to lose it. So I'm going to just put it in there and get the interest for the bank. Look, that's crazy. Okay, that's stupid. I'm sorry if this is what you do. I'm telling you this up front as a friend. That's stupid. Money in the bank is not safe. Right? Do you see how dollar is actually going down right now because of the coronavirus? If you have $100,000 on Bitcoin, how much money have you lost right now? Right? No, don't save money. Storage. What I mean with storage is prepare it. Have it there, but have it ready to use it. How? If I have $10,000 in it, I put another 5,000, I put another 5,000, I have 20,000 in total. When I have a good real estate deal, I have $20,000 in there. Storage. I don't have it saved. If you have it in a savings account, you're going to be like, whoa, it's my savings account and I don't want to spend my savings account. No, it's your storage money. So what you're going to do is that you're going to use that storage money to generate more money for you. Does that make sense? That's the difference. I hope that makes sense. Third thing that you got to do after you reach your goal is invest in low risk business. Right? Why? What is a low risk business before even anything? It's real estate. That's the first one. Real estate is the top of the businesses in the world. Okay? Don't buy shares. Don't buy cars. Don't buy eBay stuff and sell it more expensive. No. Invest in low risk businesses. And the one that I recommend you is actually real estate. That's bottom line. I'm not even going to recommend you anything else. It's just real estate. Your money is always there, and make sure you actually do a right deal. Obviously, before you invest in real estate, you need to take a training, you need to go to conference, you need to read books, and you need to make some mistakes. But in the end, as long as you have cash flow coming from real estate, you're investing your money good. Okay? Number 4. Repeat the 3 steps over and over again. If you do these 3 steps over and over, just as a daily schedule, over and over, trust me, in a few years, you're going to not be rich. You're going to be a millionaire. Okay? So this is my biggest recommendation in the world. So let's go ahead and do a recap right now and see what we actually trained today. So what is it that we saw? We know what is rich now, right? Now we know what is rich. It's someone who makes over $200,000 per year. It's not that hard, right? How much do you have to make a month to be rich? $16,700, right? Not that much. Not that much. Is it doable? Yeah. How can you make that amount? I already taught you how you could make that amount. Take it in consideration that that you make 20% increase in your account on a weekly basis. How to be consistent, I give you the tips so that you can be consistent, stay away from negative people and inconsistent people. Most common mistakes, you already know what they are. I hope you took note out of this, and what to do after you become rich. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. Right now, I'm going to give a few minutes for some Q&A in regards to this training, of course, because I know that you guys have a lot of questions, and please smash the like button if you enjoyed this training. Let's go ahead and do some Q&A right now. People asking in regards to, let me see, valid point. Yep. South Africans like Gucci things. No, it's not bad, but it's overspending. All right. Don't buy a Lamborghini. It doesn't, I mean, let me see, $10,000 per month. Yeah. Is it okay to trade Forex and IQ option? I liked it because it's friendly, more than MT4 and MT5. Yeah, you can use it. I haven't used Forex and IQ, but yeah, you can use it. You're very welcome. I have $30. Please suggest some tips. Join the BLW Trading Academy for free, or join the BLW Signals Academy for free, and join the BLW Signals group for $29.99. Thank you, Rocket Cards. Can you please share the Excel sheet with the numbers in the Telegram group or on YouTube if you can? I'm a yearly subscriber. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna share it on the Telegram Signals group, so that you guys can have it. Yeah, but not everybody is in there. So I'm gonna make an article in regards to it. I'm gonna put the sheet as a download file in there, probably this week. Okay. Can you take advantage with the BLW Signals group to make this happen? Absolutely freaking yes. Yes, you can make that much money with the BLW Signals group. Shall I go for binary options or Forex? I made a video that it's Forex versus binary options a few days back. Watch that video and it's going to help you decide. Not in regards to the streaming, but any way to view the already finished webinars for BLW admins. Not at the moment. I'm going to make an exclusive room for the future webinars, but at the moment, no, they haven't been recorded. They're just live. Which broker would you recommend for Forex? I actually had a link in the description of this video, IC Markets. I think it's a very good broker. I'm actually using it right now. What can one do to siblings after you make tons of cash trading Forex? Do you set them up business-wise or just give them money now and they to support them? Well, to be honest with my brother, I actually taught him how to make money. But my friends and everything, I prefer to give them a job because you need to have the willingness to learn. It's not enough if someone wants to teach you. You need to have the willingness to learn. You make $300 a day, honestly. Awesome, man. Awesome. Keep on making. You're really close. You're really close. Only to a trust. How to join the Telegram free signals group? There's no free signals group anymore. You can go to blwsignalsgroup.com. Thank you. You're welcome. IQ option is good for binary, but for not for Forex. High spreads, so you need good movements to make. Try IC Markets or Octa Forex. They're better. Thank you, Brian. This explanation is also for binary trading, only for Forex. You can use the same plan for binary trading as long as you actually have the 20% increase in your account. Bro, say hi to everyone in the Signals group and your brother. I love you. Oh, you're like my family. Thank you. I appreciate it. Binary options are a scam, please. Know this. Forex, you can have an edge on the house, but in binary options, you cannot. It's not a scam. It's just a different business. Don't be negative, all right? It's just a business. If I buy Binbot Pro, can I make money or will I lose money? I have no experience. What is the best time for trading? You should go and watch my videos in regards to Binbot Pro where I explain you what robots to use and which ones no. How much pips can I make with the new app you're gonna release? I haven't made the math on it, but I will before I actually launch it. Can I use Biddy Swiss for Forex? I haven't seen that that broker in a while now. Urban Music's Premier says, hi Chris, I'm a paid member of the Signals group, but I don't have access to the Telegram group. Also, the Facebook group shows access denied. Send an email to my support team at support@blwonlinetrading.com and they will help you. No Skrill payments. So I'm going to just leave it like that, guys. Sorry if I couldn't answer all of the questions. Make sure you put it in the comment section below. And if you're watching this on the replay, make sure you share it with your friends as well as you guys. Share it with your friends and family members. I'm 100% sure they're going to enjoy this training. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, keep enjoying your weekend. Make sure you smash the like button. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, everyone.